Have you ever wondered how a neglected garden can be transformed into a beautiful oasis? Beneath every overgrown plot, a secret Eden waits, yearning for rediscovery. The potential is there, in each forgotten corner. Imagine the satisfaction of turning a forgotten space into your personal Eden. The first step in reviving a neglected garden is assessing its condition. It's crucial to understand your garden's needs. You see, every garden is unique, with its own set of requirements. The type of soil, existing plants, and the amount of sunlight your garden gets are all key factors to consider. These elements aren't just details, they're the driving forces that will shape your garden's transformation. So take time to learn about them. Once you've understood your garden's needs, you're ready to start the revival process. Begin the transformation by cleaning up the garden. The first step is to remove unsightly weeds and dead plants that may be hindering new growth. Don't forget to clear out any debris like fallen leaves or twigs to ensure a clean, unobstructed space. This process is essential as it creates a blank canvas, a fresh starting point for your garden's makeover. Think of it as a reset, a chance to reimagine and reinvigorate your green space. With a clean slate, you can now start planning your garden's new look. Now comes the creative part, planning and planting. The key to a thriving garden lies in thoughtful planning. Consider the garden's conditions, soil type, sunlight exposure, and climate. Then choose plants that will thrive in these conditions. Once you've made your selection, it's time to roll up your sleeves and plant. Dig a hole, place the plant in, cover the roots, water generously, and voila! You've taken the first step towards your garden's transformation. With careful planning and planting, your garden will soon start to flourish. With time and care, your neglected garden will transform into a beautiful oasis. The joy of seeing your garden thrive is unparalleled, and it's a journey full of discovery and learning. So why not start today? Your beautiful oasis is just a few steps away.